Cambridge EV Charger, powering your future, one charge at a time. Why are electric vehicle chargers necessary for everyone today? As we transition to cleaner energy, EV chargers play a crucial role in reducing carbon emissions and creating a sustainable future. Charging electric vehicles is far more cost-effective than traditional gasoline, saving you money on fuel. With EV chargers becoming more accessible in homes, workplaces, and public spaces, charging your vehicle is easier than ever. As the world moves toward electric transportation, having an EV charger ensures you're ready for the future. For businesses, installing EV chargers can attract customers and even generate revenue. Be part of the change. Join the movement. Charge of the future. Gedio Cambridge EV Charger with Repaude. Calislot 905-2 72177 or visit www.camecharger.c. Goodbye.